Today's video is all about water changes and do we really need to do them? I just wanted to do a quick video today on water changes and if we really need to be doing them. So lots of forums, other videos out there saying water changes should be done regularly. Some people do them every week, and I just wanted to give you some inside information on what we know and how we do it. It should help you in your pond life coming up. If you're new to the channel, I own a company called Simply Ponds Limited. We started the business because I actually went and did a 3-year course on fish aquaculture, lots of different things like that, and part of the course was all about water quality and water changes. So one of my lecturers, one of his favourite sayings, the solution to pollution is dilution. So important word in there to remember is pollution. So basically what he was saying was only dilute the water if there is a pollutant present. So water changes are only needed if there's a pollutant in the water that you need to get rid of quickly. So the main pollutants that can harm your fish quickly is ammonia and nitrite. So if you have ammonia and nitrite present in your pond, it's not a bad idea to do, say, a 10% water change, which will help quickly dilute down those levels and hopefully to a safer level where your fish won't be harmed. So just have a little think about this. So you spent all this money, you've built your pond, you bought top of the range filter systems or whatever it may be. You've got your fish in there, the filter's finally matured, everything's thriving, everything's happy, water quality is spot on. So why on earth would you want to take some of that water away and get rid of it? That is good water. You want to be keeping that water. So the best way to introduce new water into your pond is just topping up the evaporation. So wait for your pond to evaporate slightly and then you can replenish that water with your fresh water. Obviously if you're using tap water, you might need to treat it with a dechlorinator to help take away some of the chlorines and chloramines, just to make it safe for your fish. So topping up evaporation is an ideal way to introduce fresh water to your pond. The main benefit of topping up evaporation with tap water is the tap water has minerals present in the water that fish actually need to survive. And the other good thing about just topping up evaporation is you're not actually physically removing water out the pond. So when you take a lot of water out of the pond, in that water there's going to be lots of beneficial bacteria and other organisms present in that water that help to keep your pond's ecosystem in good shape. So the more that you can keep, makes sense, the healthier your pond will become. If you can, we would always recommend to have some sort of plant life in your pond to try and make it as natural as possible, because plants actually absorb nitrates, if you didn't know that, which is a nutrient. So technically speaking, if you don't have plants, you could get a buildup of nutrients in the water, or nitrates. Nitrates they're not harmful to your fish, but it's never a good idea to have a build up too much of something. So I would recommend, if you can, plants in the pond will help with that. And also if you're worried about too many nitrates in your water and it may force you to do a water change, just test the water first. So test it. If the nitrates aren't too high, just don't bother with the water change. Your fish and everything will be absolutely fine. So I hope this helps and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you've been doing water changes regularly, give this a go. Save some water, save some money, and most importantly, save a bit of time. Go and do something else. If you like the video, let us know. Click the like button, like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.